Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. Behind me, 2015 Dodge Ram 1500. We're going to be replacing the front differential fluid. Pretty easy maintenance item. Let's get started. Right here is our front differential. We want to remove our skid plate. There are 4 13mm bolts. We'll hold the skid plate up for that last one and just set it aside. Now we have access to our drain plug and our fill plug. They're an 8mm Allen or a 5/16 Allen, whichever one you have. We want to crack loose our fill first. That way we know we can fill it back up after we drain it. Okay, just loose like that. We know it'll come the rest of the way out. Now we'll crack this one. Perfect. Now I'll put my drain pan under here to catch anything as we pull these out. We'll pull the fill out all the way first. A little fluid came out. Now we'll pull our drain. All right, we'll just give that time to drain. Our drain plug is magnetic, so we want to wipe that tip off the best we can and then install a new O-ring and coat it with differential fluid. Then we can put our plug back in. And then we'll tighten this to spec. All right, we'll put in our fill tube. There we go. Now we start filling it up until it drips out of the fill plug. All right, there's 1 quart. And now it's starting to drip out. Let me pull out this tube. All right, that's full. We just want a nice light little stream. If you have a gushing stream, go ahead and just let it drain a little bit till you get a nice light stream. Now same thing with our fill plug. We want to wipe it off real good and replace that O-ring. Wipe everything off. Then we'll tighten this to torque. That's it, let's put our skid plate on. All right, front differential complete. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, hit the like button, maybe subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.